back to my channel. So today we are going to talk about Dior B23, and this is the blue and red color, the oblique transparency. So we'll start by introducing the box. You see that Dior is well printed on the box here, and here the shoebox level is also here. You can see that. Now you feel the box. The box is very rough because normally Dior box is not smooth, it's rough. Okay, so let's open the box and see what's inside. You will see an envelope here thanking you for buying, lace, ribbon, and you see on this ribbon Dior is well printed there too, and this ribbon has vertical lines. This is the receipt. Okay, and this one too. This is the dust bag. You see this dust bag is made up of cotton, and Dior is also well printed here. You can see that there. This is the the shopping bag, and on the shopping bag has the same texture with the box. Okay, Dior is here and Dior is there. Now when you open the box, this is what you see. This is the shoe. Okay, the blue and red B23 Dior. You see that here is made up of rubber, high quality rubber. Dior is well printed here, embossed here, sorry, also here, and the bees are here. You can see that there. Same this one. So don't worry, I will give you a closer look on this of this shoe. For all those who want to know more about this sneaker, you can just contact me and I will let you know. And please, you can also follow me on Instagram. I will leave my WhatsApp and my Instagram address at the end of the video or at the description below. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.
What's up?